Maybe you're wondering, when is the right time to open my swimming pool? Well, it's better to open up sooner rather than later. Otherwise, algae could start growing underneath your winter cover. So here's how to watch for the right pool opening weather in your area. Check it out. Now, before we dive in, if you're looking for help keeping your pool clean and clear throughout the season, check out our free pool care cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/cheat sheet. It's a totally free, easy to use guide to help you keep track of taking care of your pool. All right, so when should you open your pool? As a general rule of thumb, you should open your pool when the outside daytime temperature stays consistently above 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. 70 degrees is still a little too cold to go swimming, but it's not too cold for algae. As the weather starts to warm up, algae can start to grow in your pool water, especially if you use a mesh pool cover and the water is exposed to sunlight. Springtime is also pollen season, and that can start collecting in your pool. So to help prevent algae and to stop pollen from collecting in your water, open your pool and run your filter and pump when the daytime temps are a steady 70 degrees. Now, what if you have a heated pool? Well, the same rule applies. You'll still want to wait for consistent 70-degree weather. You just may not be able to swim in your pool if it isn't heated. Now, whether your pool is heated or not, plan on opening your pool 2 to 3 weeks before you plan on using it. That'll give you enough time to troubleshoot equipment and clear up any water chemistry issues. Now, what happens if you accidentally open your pool too early? If your area experiences a surprising drop in temperatures after you've already started your pool up again, just leave the pump running and reinstall your pool cover until the weather warms up. Finally, how do you know if the weather will stay at 70 degrees? Well, start by checking out historical weather averages in your area. Depending on where you live, you may hit the 70 degrees sweet spot sooner than you think. In the US, people tend to think about opening their pool around the middle of May. Now, while this feels like a good time to start swimming, it actually may be too late to open your pool. Remember, if the temperature has stayed consistently above 70 degrees, you could be opening your pool to an algae nightmare. And if everyone opens their pool at the same time, pool chemicals and equipment might be out of stock, and pool service companies might already be booked solid. So when it comes to opening your pool, the sooner the better. And if you have more questions about pool maintenance, go check out our free pool care cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/cheat sheet. That's it. Thanks again, and happy soaking.